Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasils District Abhilash Baranwar lalumlang ya kinongkit kam ke darbar shnong ki romba shnong ki officer ki polit bat ya kinongkit kam jang block harut jang kawa ke badan ha Urkaliar kini ke jinglumlang jong DC kalong iakren ba kinongkit kam shnong bat ban jurip ban lit pe hi de lade ya ke jingjaboh jang kawa ke badan ha kini shnong ke batut na ki pat ki shnong ba marjan ha kini ke jinglet jurip lai don lang de magistrate ki he polit harinja bat na nomosong ki pulit penyai kali ki officer na Shillong Municipal Board na maupat sinadi block bat na Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board nang ta ki rambak shnong bat kinongkit kam shnong la palang nomensong umpling nongra bat Urkaliar ringkat lang badikong Patricia Mukim ibadai na ka Operation Clean Up Shillong habayok banyakrem ODC hakamra office trekam jngoh hadian ke jinglai jurep DC la ethu ba jingmat hi ka dei bo kwa pet dalade ya kalong kaman ha Urkaliar kamtam ya jingjaboh kawa bat shen sakhat ya jingelang office trekam jngoh bat on sachna ya SOP ban khangla ni pat ba ban pinjabo ya kani kawa andala dab ban khoi biang sai sisin ha jingle jurep kinongkit kam shnong bat kikat tok ani giseng trimon sombha kilapis ngau ha DC ya jinge ba kisham na jingjaboh kani kawa bat kila jingmot ru ya DC ban ai da jingmana ka bajur ya kipat ba ba penjabo bat kiba jupulong ya kani ke jaka kum ka ketem ke bashir khai.
Okay, it's all right. So what I'll do is I'll call a meeting in my office.
Yes, sir.
Starting from your office, that's
Yes,
better
yes,
than
I'm
yes.
starting from our office, yes.
Then
I feel that's better.
No, but then I wanted to see for myself that what kind of pollution is coming also, because I should also not be chairing the meeting and without having any knowledge about it.
better start from there, sir.
Stay one morning, we'll go along with some stuff down.
Yes, sir.
Spend some time on the
Because
side.
GTC also you have to take them in boat,
GTC,
sir.
okay.
Because
call
the
everybody.
river comes from there,
So let's
from
do
there
one thing
end.
that is why.
Not even GTC, even this army here nearby also. I used to see them dumping
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
College side will not really need the technical
Yes,
side.
yes.
The technical aspects will be provided by MSPC. We will arrange from
But we are
other
ready
sources
to-
also. We only need community leadership and enforcement from your side.
But no one takes charge of cleaning that barrier. So agreement should be there. And the point of this is just like I've seen in Facebook, Madam Patricia posting that non-Muslim or something like that. I've seen. Okay. Let Madam Patricia take the charge. Go to the GTC. Go to the GTC and then sort out which area is, this Urkaliar, which area that what Nomansong or in Urkaliar. Suppose if it's in Nomansong shall take charge. Okay. Suppose Urkaliar will take charge. Because
That's what Baiban said earlier, no?
no. The point I was saying about that Madam Patricia I've seen posting in the social media buka kong no. Long katu kong am galong ba ngam tikna tu long ndai kuat Nomansong do Urkaliar to. Mention to Nomansong long kadon to kong dikta ini nang Islam ta.
I'm sure you guys are aware. It's just that we can have to strategize about how to enforce this thing. Okay. All right, madam. So
we had gone to we had conducted a joint inspection of Urkaliar along with the headmen of nearby localities like Umpling, Lapalang, Nongminsong, etc. Simultaneously, we had called people from MSPCB, people from Operation Clean Up Shillong, and other agencies, MBMA as well. The idea was for me to see the first, to observe what is happening at Urkaliar in terms of especially the river pollution, and accordingly it was decided that we'll call a meeting at my level in my office and including all stakeholders, wherein an SOP will be drafted. We will work out how each stakeholder is onboarded so as to make sure that the river gets cleaned up.